Welcome. Localization Editor plugin have a new feature. Now it supports placeholders. Placeholders, for example, here is one, and there is another, and two placeholders in the same sentence. So I can show you a demo how it works. I start scene. You can see it is in English language, and here we have two placeholders. I change the name, so I write to the name to this placeholder Vladimir. Okay, I push apply, and just now you see Vladimir is on this place. And if I change the language, for example to German, it stays here in the sentence. Okay, let's go back to English, or let us change this placeholder in German. So I change the placeholder to old and put here 47. Okay, and now you can see placeholder is changed. If I switch back to English, it stays there. And now we try to change this placeholder again. For example, 14. Apply, and you can see it changed again. I can change again, and it works. So how do this works? To start using placeholders in Localization Editor, you need to set up your project. Go to Project Settings, Auto Load, and import Localization Manager script. This script is here on the plugin folder, and here is the script. So, and here you can see the usage of the script. So we look at source code. So in this example, I imported Localization Manager from root tree, but you can also use directly Localization Manager and then dot, and all functions of Localization Manager is the same as this here. So important part of Localization Manager is to use this connect method or function. Localization Manager has a signal, and this signal firing if language change or some of the placeholders changed. And then you automatically call this method. And let us see this method. And you can change a text of your components, UI components, with tr, translate. You know this method from object class. And the tr of Localization Manager have some benefits. It translates also the placeholders, and you can use your keys to get your translation. So, but Localization Editor has again other benefits. For example, if you use tr translation, you have to specify your key. For example, key and then name. This where this key. So, but this is not so good. If you change here the key, you cannot check this place in your source code. For example, it was N, and now you changed it to name. Now you have problems with translation. This is a bad situation. The best way is to use generated constants, and I do it with this plugin. If you specify your keys, the Localization Editor plugin generates localization manager keys, and you can jump to this class, and you can see you have all these keys as constants, and here you have a full list as strings. You can also make for over this, or make loop over these keys. And also you have a full list of these placeholders. This list is here also. Here is the keys and here is placeholders. Now we have two placeholders, name and old. And if you change your keys here and use this in your scripts, the compiler go to this place and say you cannot find this constant, and you can easy control check this key and change to the right key, and it helps you to avoid errors in your translation, or to have some sentences that not translated in right order. Okay, I hope this plugin helps you in your project, and good luck for our people.